Hey friends, so today I want to read you a funny turkey story because remember, Thanksgiving is a holiday where you eat lots of turkey. But I'm going to read you a turkey book for today called 10 Fat Turkeys. It's really funny and it's a silly, silly, silly book. 10 Fat Turkeys. Here we go. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, do a noodle dance. 10 fat turkeys fooling on a fence. Oh my goodness, look how silly these turkeys are. Looky, says a silly turkey swinging from a vine. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, whoops! Now there are, oh my goodness, 9. Oh my goodness. One turkey fell down. These turkeys are not being very safe, sitting on a fence and doing crazy things. Looky, squawks a goofy turkey, trying to roller skate. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Oops! Now there are, let's see, there was 9 and one fell off. Now there are 8. Looky, calls a foofy turkey, flapping to blue heaven. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Oopsie, now there are, let's see, there were 8 and one fell off. Now there are 7. Looky, cries another turkey, balancing some bricks. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Uh-oh, now there are, there were 7. We lost 1 because they're being crazy. Now there are 6. Looky, hoots a brother turkey, swanning a swan dive. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Oh no, now there are, let's see, we had 6 and 1 went down again. Now we have 5. Looky, whoops another turkey, strutting on a boar. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Oh dear. Oh my gosh, look at the fence. Oh my gosh. Now there are, we had 5. We lost 1. Now there are 4. Looky, hollers out a turkey, swallowing a bee. Ugh. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Mercy, now there are, see, we had 4. We lost 1. Now there are 3. Looky, howls a goony turkey, whistling in a shoe. What? Look at this guy. He's got his head in a shoe. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Uh-oh, now there are, you said 2. You're right. 2. Looky, shouts a loony turkey, blowing bubble gum. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Oh my gosh, look at the bubble. But have you ever blown a bubble this big with bubble gum before? Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble, pop-bo. Now there's 1. Looky, yells the plumpest turkey, jumping up and down. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. That's all. There are none. Gobble, gobble, wibble, wobble. Do a noodle dance. No more turkeys. Crash, bang. And no more fence. Oh my goodness. That is a bunch of crazy turkeys. Oh, just a minute. What is this? Bibble, babble, jibble, jobble. Looky, look at me. 10 fat turkeys fooling in a tree. Oh my goodness. They did not learn their lesson. They fooled on a fence and look what happened. And now look, they are fooling in a tree. Oh my gosh. The end. Now that is a book about a crazy bunch of turkeys. My goodness. I hope you liked that one. 10 fat turkeys. See you soon, friends.